Today we will show you how to open the Dell Vostro 153591 and what's inside of it. Getting inside of this laptop is fairly easy. It requires a Phillips screwdriver, as well as a plastic pry tool. First, you need to unscrew all 10 of the screws, holding the bottom plate onto the chassis. Then, turn the laptop around and open the lid. Here, you would like to start the prying process around the touchpad area. Then slowly make your way around the device. After that, just turn it upside down and lift the bottom plate away. In terms of cooling, there is a single, yet thick heat pipe, which drives the heat away from both the processor and the graphics card. It is a common solution, but honestly, it is not a great idea to connect your two main heat sources, especially when there is only one heat spreader. On the other side, upgradability looks great. There are two storage options: an M.2 PCI Express X4 slot and a 2.5 SATA drive bay, flanking the battery. As of the memory, you get two RAM SODIMM slots that support up to 16 GB of DDR4 memory, working at 2666 MHz. By the way, Dell's official specs sheet shows support of 3200 MHz RAM as well. Finally, there is a 42 Wh battery pack powering the notebook, when you don't have it connected to the wall.